Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. This morning we had a very good rain in our balcony. That's part of the rain that's available in East Delhi. That's the area where I'm living. In fact, I've been waiting for this rain for the last few days. Each day was very cloudy and it showed that it may rain anytime, but it is never to be. On the same days, there was rain in some of the parts of the city and there were traffic jams and the drains overflowing and the waterlogged roads and so on. In fact, I love rains. Very good rains. Not just drizzle or low intensity rains. And we get occasionally, in some of the rainy seasons, some good rains in Delhi. Not always. This year, in fact, Delhi made a very big record with Delhi's Mungeshpur automatic weather station, that is in West Delhi, recording a record high temperature of 52.9 degrees Celsius. That is unbelievable. As flabbergasted. When I checked the reports, the weatherman said, that is India Meteorological Department or IMD, that the sensors in the automatic weather station might have not worked or gone wrong and taken a wrong record of the temperature. I was also under the impression that the temperature may go up to 45 degrees Celsius or maybe 46, not more than that. But the report of 52.9 degrees Celsius, that was really unbelievable. I don't know what can be the rainy season in your area. As far as India is concerned, we get reports of floods, too much of rain, too little of rain, and loss to farmers, and areas generally getting rainfall, not getting rainfall, this kind of things, which can be a travesty of the climate change that India is going through as part of what's happening in the world over. Climate is not as it used to be about 2 decades ago. Not to go too far past, there is a dramatic change in the weather conditions in almost every part of the world as I read the records as reported in newspapers and news channels. There are areas where there used to be a lot of rain, now not getting much rain, and there are areas where there are dry spells experiencing too much of rain. That's something which is not happening regularly. That's something that's happening as a result of global warming or climate change. Anyway, thanks for your time. Take care and please subscribe, comment and share the channel. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. Take care. Until the next video.